What's the deal? It's your boy Rod C checking in today. Another install, something quick. Got the LED bag lids from Custom Dynamics. So I already got the bags pulled off the bike. This is something light, man. Again, it's something real quick, easy. I just want to show y'all how I did it, and let's get to it. All right, y'all, so y'all saw how I ran the wire on the inside of the bag. So all you're gonna do is come up through here, find the rear wiring harness, which is this one right here. Pop that off, put the connector that it came with on, plug them in. I just zip tied them up to keep everything together, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna come through later on and kind of clean this up a little bit. The seat is probably gonna cover that up though, but other than that, I mean, it ain't no super hard install. It probably took about 30 minutes. I just wanted to make sure I trace this line out and make sure I had the right one, because this is the front one. And all I did was pretty much trace it out. That took like 2 minutes, so this is what it looks like. Super easy install. So I'm gonna get everything buttoned up. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. And that's a wrap. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos. I really appreciate it. I've been kind of busy lately, with life. But yeah, until next time, appreciate y'all for tuning in.